Hello and welcome to my clinic. I'm so grateful that you've chosen me to help you with your spine, joint, and nerve issues. I've been practicing for over 30 years and have helped thousands of patients just like you. In my clinic, I provide safe, gentle, and effective adjustments to the nerves, muscles, and bones. I use my hands, tables, and instruments to realign the body, ensuring that you receive the best possible care. In addition to my hands-on approach, I also have digital x-rays on site, as well as shockwave and laser treatments, which are designed to speed up your healing process. I also provide orthotics and compression socks to help alleviate your pain. I bill to most insurance companies, including ICBC, after your first visit. I also have two clinics, one at the Landmark 4 and one at my home office, to be more flexible with my hours. I am accepting new clients and do not require a doctor's referral. After a few sessions with me, I will be able to give you an estimate of how long it will take to see results and what will be involved in your care, including the cost. Once again, welcome to my practice. I'm so glad that you are a patient, and I'm looking forward to helping you achieve your optimal health and wellness.